Hi, I'm Jessica Orton. I'm Client Services Director at Yumpingo. I've been with the business just over 2.5 years. In my current role, I wear a few hats, but I am still extremely hands-on. So I help look after some of our larger enterprise clients. I really do get a kick out of working directly with, ops directors, marketing directors, culinary teams, whatever it may be, to help navigate some of the challenges that the industry is facing by using the services and the outcomes that Yumpingo provides. I've also had quite a lot of creative freedom and strategic freedom, whether that be from hiring and mentoring my team, or whether that be through developing some of the efficiencies, processes, and KPIs that we've got within the department. And that's really enabled me personally to grow my career significantly over the last few years. I have learned so much about wider businesses and departments and yeah, my journey at Yumpingo so far has been extremely exciting, but there's also so much more that I'm eager to get my teeth stuck into. So it's been great. It's great to have International Women's Day, International Women's Month. It's really empowering, and it sets off some really interesting topics and discussions, and it shines a light on all sorts of things, good and bad, right? But I think really what's important is that these conversations are happening 365 days a year. More importantly, the actions are happening all of the time as well. So I'm not going to go into a long list of all of the things that employers should be doing to understand whether they are providing equal opportunities for women. You can go to the internet for that. But I think that's the question, right? It's great if you're putting something out there on social, or you're holding an event for International Women's Month. But the question you want to ask is how do you follow up on that throughout the rest of the year, and how do your actions really make the positive changes that we're looking for? So, when I'm asked to talk about my idols, women that inspire me, women in history, it's really difficult to reduce that even just to a handful, because there are so many. And so, if I think about who inspires me every single day, it's still a handful, but it is my closest family and my closest friends. And it's interesting, I always think, they're the kind of people that would be the first to say that they're not inspirational, but we know that's a load of rubbish. I see their strengths and their weaknesses, the challenges that they've overcome, the incredible things that they've done that they thought they couldn't, land that job that they never thought they could, rip up the career book and start a business of their own, move their families halfway around the world for a new career, overcome really challenging and sad and very stressful times. And just exist and balance work and life and kids and all those kind of things as well. So yeah, my most inspirational women are my best friends and my family. If I was to give my advice to any women looking to join the hospitality or hospitality tech industry in 2024, the first one would be come and say hello. We have a massive community. I am in a variety of WhatsApp groups. I attend a number of events, and there's a really, really solid group of women that really advocate for each other always. So you're not alone. So please do drop me a message on LinkedIn, or send me an email, give me a call, whatever it may be. I think the other one is to you don't have to be the loudest person in the room, but please know your worth, and make sure you have a seat around that table. We have really, really valuable opinions. They're not always the right one, but that's the nature of the game for everybody, right? But having your voice heard is really, really important, and quite often it's difficult, just the way that things go. So please make sure that you speak up and you have your opinions and your ideas heard, because they're probably awesome.